Hey guys, today I have a very wonderful announcement to make, and the announcement revolves around the Islamic calendar, the Islamic month Ramadan. We have been on the lockdown since about a month now in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria, and for some months now all over the globe. But now the Ramadan is coming, and hopefully we hope the lockdowns and the restrictions could have been lifted before it actually gets started, the fasting. But now in the academy, A.O.S Academy, we have a 50% discount that we are giving people that registers for any of our services, be it French language learning, beginner, intermediate, advanced, or even FTC, French for TEF Canada examination preparation online course. Or perhaps you just want to work on your tutorial courses for your core and elective, your compulsory and elective courses in the university for linguistics department, or maybe perhaps you just want to use it for an opportunity to actually prepare yourself for IELTS exam, TOEFL exam, DELF, TEF Canada examination, any exam at all. Or perhaps you just want us to assist you on your research, maybe your projects, your thesis, or your dissertation works. We have a 50% discount we are giving everyone, or let me just say the first 10, yes, the very first 10 students that registers for any of those services for the first 10 days. So if you want to actually get to benefit from it, please and please and please get registered now. Don't waste time. It's just for a limited time. So thank you very much. If you are interested, please is either you call us on the phone number, the contact that is in the description of this video, or you go on our website aosacademy.com or frenchtefcanada.com to enroll yourself now. Thank you very much, and don't forget to actually share this video to other people that you feel that can also benefit from this wonderful Ramadan discount. So thank you, and I'm going to see you next time.